Japanese quality management is known for the 5S framework, a system of best practices which guide workplace organization. This framework was codified when American efficiency experts brought their strategies to Japan following World War II. During the war, the American military utilized an early form of quality control known as training within industry, and American academics William Edwards Deming and Joseph M. Juran devised quality management frameworks. After the war, business leaders within Japan turned to Deming and Juran to help rebuild the country. Although both men had limited success in post-war America, their teachings were embraced wholeheartedly by Japanese students. But why did this happen in Japan? Amid rebuilding efforts, Japanese leaders were eager to learn the most effective ways of achieving results. Restoring prosperity meant that each person had a role to play. By emphasizing how each employee could utilize their expertise to create a greater collective result, Deming and Juran aligned with the synthesis of individual and group. In addition, ancient philosophical beliefs, such as the Chinese concept of Wu Xing, the 5 elements which regulate existence, helped establish a familiar way to contextualize the framework. Finally, Deming and Juran noted that by lifting up the group would lift up the worker. This reciprocal approach, which placed value on each person's contribution, deeply appealed to the hopes of the Japanese people, who wanted to turn the ashes of war into sparks of progress. In the end, unity, harmony, and cooperation were key appeal points in encouraging the adoption of 5S. As you look to improve efficiency in your company, consider QMS to Go as your quality reference resource. Our materials, knowledge base, and software will help guide your journey through 5S. Follow us today to learn more.